Hey guys, we got our no spill water bowl for dogs, and we're gonna open it right now. Zaylee, you want to open this with me? Okay, let's go. Come here, come here. Let's open this. You want to see what's inside? Come on. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. That's how it comes in the box. Zaylee, sit. It's a 3-liter size. Here's the bowl. Wait, Zaylee. And this is supposed to be the floating top that prevents her face from being all wet. She totally slobbers in all of the water when we just give her water out of a regular bowl. So these two things, they prevent the overflow, so it's going to stop as soon as the water fills. So let's go ahead and fill the water in here. And now look how she drinks out of her original bowl and how much water drips from her. Okay, come here, Zaylee. Let's see your chin. Look. Zaylee. Stop. There's barely any water on there.